My name is Pavyashti. I am studying LKG in St. Philomena Group of Institution, Chandapura.
States and capitals.
States and capital: Andhra Pradesh, Chandavati; Andhra Pradesh, Itanagar; Assam, Bispur; VR, Patna; Chhattisgarh, Raipur; Goa, Panaji; Gujarat, Gandhinagar; Haryana, Chandigarh; Uttar Pradesh, Shimla; Jharkhand, Ranchi; Karnataka, Bengaluru; Kerala, Thiruvananthapuram; Madhya Pradesh, Mumbai; Maharashtra, Mumbai; Manipur, Impal; Meghalaya, Shillong; Mizoram, Reykjavik; Nagaland, Nodima; Odisha, Bhubaneswar; Punjab, Chandigarh; Rajasthan, Jaipur; Sikkim, Gangtok; Tamil Nadu, Chennai; Telangana, Hyderabad; Tripura, Agartala; Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow; Uttarakhand, Dehradun; West Bengal, Kolkata.
9 union territories.
9 union territories: New Delhi; Chandigarh; Daman and Diu; Dadar and Nagar Haveli; Pondicherry; Andaman and Nicobar Islands; Lakshadweep; Jammu and Kashmir; Ladakh.
Neighboring countries of India.
Neighboring countries of India: Afghanistan; Bangladesh; Bhutan; China; Myanmar; Nepal; Sri Lanka; Pakistan.
18 Puranas.
18 Puranas: Agni Purana; Bhavata Purana; Bhavishya Purana; Brahmanda Purana; Brahmavayanta Purana; Garna Purana; Burma Purana; Ringa Purana; Markandeya Purana; Matsya Purana; Narada Purana; Singa Purana; Padma Purana; Skanda Purana; Shiva Purana; Vamana Purana; Varaha Purana; Vayu Purana; Vishnu Purana.
10 Mukha Upanishads.
10 Mukha Upanishad: Ishagasha Upanishad; Kena Upanishad; Katha Upanishad; Mundakya Upanishad; Mandukya Upanishad; Taittiriya Upanishad; Tandurya Upanishad; Rutaganyaka Upanishad.
4 Vedas.
4 Vedas: Rigveda; Yajurveda; Samaveda; Atharvana Veda.
Fundamental rights of India.
Fundamental rights of India: rights to equality; rights to freedom; rights against exploitation; rights to freedom of religion; cultural and educational rights to constitutional medicine. Top 10 Indian scientists: Srinivasa Ramananda; Srini Barman; Homi Barman; Chandra Bose; Meghandu Saga; Satyendra Nath Bose; Subramanian Chandrasekhar; Vikram Sarabhai; Anu Kokadkar; APJ Abdul Kalam.
7 Wonders of India.
7 Wonders of India: Gomateshwara statue in Karnataka; Taj Mahal in Delhi; Hampi Temple in Karnataka; Golden Sun Temple; Konark Sun Temple in Odisha; Narandam University in Bihar; Khajuraho Group of Monuments to Madhya Pradesh; Golden Sun Temple in Punjab.
Jyotirlinga temples.
Jyotirlinga Temple, Nishmashara Temple, Kedarnath Temple, ಬಸವೇಶ್ವರ ಟೆಂಪಲ್, ನಾಗೇಶ್ವರ ಟೆಂಪಲ್, ಸೋಮನಾಥ್,
ರಾಮನಾಥ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಟೆಂಪಲ್,
ರಾಮರಾಪ್ತಮಿ ಟೆಂಪಲ್, ನಿಗಶಕ್ನ ಟೆಂಪಲ್, ಸೋಮನಾಥ್, ಬೈದ್ಯನಾಥಂ, ಓಂಕಾರೇಶ್ವರ್, ಮಮರೇಶ್ವರ ಟೆಂಪಲ್, ಮಲ್ಲಿಕಾರ್ಜುನ ಮಲ್ಲಿಕಾರ್ಜುನ ಟೆಂಪಲ್, ಸೋಮನಾಥ್ ಟೆಂಪಲ್.
helpful doctors,
gender physician, pediatrician, children specialist,
psychiatrist,
mental illness,
ophthalmologist,
eye specialist,
oncologist,
cancer specialist,
dermatologist,
skin specialist,
gastroenterologist,
stomach specialist,
cardiologist,
heart specialist,
orthopedic,
board specialist,
dentist.
teeth specialist.
Major rivers of India,
Major rivers of India: Brahmaputra, Ganga, Godavari, Indus, Kaveri, Krishna, Manadadi, Narmada, Periyar, Tamnabarani, Vaigat, Yamuna.
Dashavatara of Lord Vishnu,
Dasatara after Vishnu, Nasya, Purma, Varaha, Nasima, Bhavana, Vashurama, Rama, Krishna, Buddha.
Kalki.
Kalki.
8 planets,
8 planets. There are 8 planets in our solar system: Mercury, Mars, Venus, Jupiter, Earth, Saturn, Neptune, Uranus.
national symbols, father of the nation,
Father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi.
national anthem,
Jana Gana Mana,
national song,
Vande Mataram.
national emblem,
Lion Capital,
national flag,
the flag.
Gnanapita Award winners from Karnataka.
Gnanapita Award winners from Karnataka: Dara Bendre, Shurankara, Maki Venkatesh Iyengar, V. Krugokar, U.R. Anantamurthy, Ginesh Karma, Chandrasekhar Kambara.
Classical dance forms of India,
Classical dance bus of India: Bharatanatyam, Tamil Nadu; Kathakali, Kerala; Kathak, Uttar Pradesh; Manipuri, Manipur; Kuchipudi, Andhra Pradesh;
Matki dance,
Madhya Pradesh; Dandiya, Gujarat; Yajagana, Karnataka.
national festivals,
National festivals:
January 26th,
Republic Day, August 15, Independence Day; September 5, Teachers Day; September 2, Gandhi Jayanti; November 14, Children's Day.
Indian festivals,
Indian festivals: Ganeshmurthy, Gagaratri, Christmas, Dasara, Deepavali, Machuratri, Christmas, Eid,
Holi,
Ugaram,
Good Friday.
Good Friday.
7 colors in rainbow,
7th of the rainbow: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red.
names of Rutus,
Names of Rutus: Vasanta Rutu, Grishma Rutu, Varsha Rutu, Sharad Rutu, Hemanta Rutu, Shishira Rutu.
kings of Karnataka,
Kings of Karnataka: Pulikeshi, Vishnudevaraya, Vishnuvardhana, Amoga Vasha, Nadakai Nayaka, Riturani Chandama, Onagaba, Vijayanashti Pandit, Sarajini, Akka Bukka, Jechamajodi, Kempegowda.
borders of India,
Borders of India: North Himalayas,
south,
Indian Ocean,
East,
Bay of Bengal,
West,
Arabian Sea,
Fine.